Applicant HK10956, can you tell something about yourself?
Thank you for
Giving me a chance.
giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family, and I hope that you are in good condition while watching my video. I am Manilyn Partolarin, 30 years old, single, and I finished 2 years computer office management and 6 months vocational as a caregiver. And I am the second to the youngest in our family. And I have experience here in the Philippines for almost 2 years, and my employer is a Filipino also. The family member of my employer is 4, 1 couple and 2 children.
Okay, what was your main duty and responsibilities by the time that you wake up in the morning until you go to the bed?
My main responsibilities and duties are marketing, cooking, cleaning house, and ironing, and taking care of the children.
Okay, first thing in the morning, what will you do?
For the morning, I'll for myself.
You fix yourself
Yes,
first.
I'll fix
Okay.
myself, and
After
then
that?
I'll go to the
Kitchen?
and I'll cook food for my employers, and then
For the kids also.
yes, for the
So
kids
that is
also.
for the breakfast.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
give me an example?
Hot dog, eggs, and then
Coffee,
coffee for
milk,
my
or tea for your employers
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
children,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
How about for the lunch and dinner?
For the lunch. My madam gave me a list
To buy
to buy
the menu?
the menu to the market, and then I'll cook them.
Okay. So sometimes for the lunch and dinner are the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what time you sleep at night?
I'll sleep at night at 10 p.m. or 11.
Okay.
It depends.
For how long that you work with your employer?
Almost 2 years, ma'am.
Okay. So why you didn't renew your contract?
Because I finished the contract for my employer, that's why.
Why you didn't come back again with them?
Because I'll go back to my province. That's
Okay.
why.
So right now you want to work in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family, especially financially, and for preparing our good future.
Okay. For how long that you want to work or live in Hong Kong with your employer?
It depends on the contract, ma'am, and I want to finish that.
Okay. Before you go out to your day off, it's okay with you to finish all the morning chores.
Yes, ma'am.
And during your day off, and what if your employer changed the day with your day off, and it's okay with you to accept
Yes, ma'am.
the agreement between you and the employer
Yes, ma'am.
not to go with your day off?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay with you to work with another domestic helper.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you also follow the instructions of an elderly person if they are visiting or still living with your employer's house?
Pardon, ma'am.
Can you also follow an instructions with the grandparents of your employer
Yes,
if they
ma'am.
are still living or visiting to your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook the Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me an example?
The shrimp broccoli,
Aside from that.
fried rice, and then lumpia Shanghai.
Okay, so it's okay with you to attend training to enhance your skills,
Yes, ma'am.
to learn their cultures and especially their traditions.
Yes, ma'am.
And at the same time, their Chinese, or you can also learn the Chinese cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your prospective employer?
Hello, ma'am, sir. And I know that you need a new domestic helper, and I'm here to applying, and I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities.
Okay, your name is Manilyn.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Any day for your day off, it's okay with you?
Any day, ma'am.
Okay. So it's okay also with you to accept any kind of job offered to work as soon as possible for being a good domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Manilyn, thank you for your video presentation and good luck for you.